If you have an Igbo friend or you are from Igbo or you are in a relationship with anybody that is from Igbo, you should learn how to make this soup. It's called Ofe Owerri. Ofe Owerri is normally tagged as an expensive soup because of the proteins they use to prepare this soup. It is a very flavorful food and it's loved by a majority of Igbos, but mostly people that are from Owerri, just as the name implies, Ofe Owerri. So, how to prepare this soup? This is a very budget-friendly preparation. I went in with my protein. I added my blended onion and fresh pepper. I also went in with some crayfish, onion, kwanla fish, and just two ice fish. I mix this together and allow it to boil for a while first before I now added water that will cook the soup. For my thickener, I'll be using cocoyam powder and mix it with my red oil. Then I will go in with it after mixing it. I want this soup to be very thick. That's why I use this quantity. I noticed that it was not thick enough, so I added more yam powder to make it more thick. Most persons like it light, so it depends on what you want. Then I went in with my uziza leaf. This soup is pretty much very easy to make. After adding my uziza leaf, I went in with my ukazi leaf, some more water to make it a little bit lighter. Then once that is done, I will test this to see if all the ingredients have incorporated well. But I noticed it was not more, so I added my salt. I mixed this together and allowed to cook. I covered this and allowed to cook for just few minutes because the leaf is already inside. And once that is done, my soup is ready. There are different methods to prepare this soup. The Igbos prepare this food in different methods and different native ingredients being added in this soup. While serving this, I noticed the soup was too thick, and this is my first time preparing this soup. I said let me share this recipe with you guys. It was very easy and it's budget friendly. Just follow the recipe, you will love it.